Tank! Freaking tank! How's it going, folks? And welcome back to another episode. I'm not super worried about spooking all these fish off because today we're doing something really special. So anyway, if you follow my Instagram, you might have noticed I've been working on a John boat, doing a whole bass boat conversion and whatnot. So today I'm actually about to launch in here. It's supposed to have a little bit of rain this morning. It's probably gonna clear up though. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and launch this boat for the very first time ever. So I definitely need to fix my bunks. They're a little bit high on the front, and that kind of kept it from sliding off. Trying not to get soaked. So let me show you guys what I'm using. I've got a drill, 20-volt lithium drill with the drill paddle on here, as you guys can see, and this thing is getting it. I'm pretty impressed, actually. Whoa. Start slow. Let me get over here, twitch this around, see what they want to think about this. There we go. Fish immediately. First fish on the boat. Woo! Not a baby. Oh shoot. Let's get the net on him, y'all. Where's my net? Flip or die. Yeah, what's up? Yes. First fish on the John boat, dude. Yes. Let's get my better hand on him. That's a nice one. That's a little 1-pounder. Little fatty. Let's see if we can get a smooth release. First ever smooth release on the boat here. Off the boat, y'all. The gray grocery getter. Ready to go? See you later. Thank you for being that first fish of the morning. Oh, that was awesome. That's the first one on the boat? Yes, sir. Let's get them. Sucks. Just hooked up on this little lipless fish, red lipless crankbait, right out of there. I'm gonna try to see if there's a little school over there. I don't know what happened with my GoPro. Oh, there it goes. Oh, a decent. Oh shit. Trip on my damn flip-flop and bust my ass. Let me take these shits off while I'm like playing around. Yeah. Right in the damn water. Come on up here, buddy. Okay. Wasn't ready to come up. Tiny. Not tiny, but he's not as big as I thought he was. Come on now. Flip or die. Yeah, I did too, man. Little 1-pounders though, they're not terrible. Let's get it in here, y'all. Oh, cold fish, man. Just try to get my ass in out the freaking wind a little bit.
About time, damn it. Not a bad, no monster, but after a couple of hours, she looked like a beaut.
Well, that's something I haven't really thrown today. A little spinnerbait. All right, I need a trailer. Let's see if they want anything to do with this old spinnerbait here. This has been dope, guys. I'm really enjoying this boat. Okay. Tank! Freaking tank! Nope, it's a tiny. I thought it was a toad, dude. Oh. Wow. Fish number 5. Little tiny guy, but hey, take it. This is legit, dude. This is sick. It's gonna be even better when I can get a freaking motor going, trolling motor at least. At Walmart dollar spinner bait, putting in work. This morning, I'm out here with the homie Cletus, and we are out here on the boat again. This is the second test run. The first time, had a little bit of leaky issues, had some trailer issues, had some trolling motor issues that we still have. Actually, I did find out my battery is toast, so got to get a new battery. I'm actually going to try a Monsterbass Slam today. Believe it or not, it's super early. Maybe I'll be able to get on this topwater bite and some other bait fish type of stuff, because it is fall, and this water is turning over. Let me get this camera put in the back, and let's try to go ahead and rip some lips, man.
Fish.
Oh, he's a decent flip or die. Flipped him right into me. Wow, that's a nice chunk, dude.
Hell yeah. Nice first fish of the day.
Get on a nice chunk this morning, first fish.
Look at that, boys and girls. Nice little 2. Hell yeah. First fish of the day. Can't complain. Good hook set right in the top of that lip. I just wish I could get this hook out. The barb on this is something else, dude. Alright, bud. Let's get you back in that water. Oh, I did have a fish. Fish.
Alright, I'm about to put it. Cletus is dragging jigs, and he is caught. That's 2 now on the jig. Solid fish, too. Caught a 2 and a little 1 here. So I'm either gonna have to slow roll this swim bait on the bottom or put a jig on.
Once again, on that black and blue. Alright. There we go. Making moves on the jig. This jig is getting it done, dude. Fish are into it.
Well, I was kind of hoping the sun would come out a little bit more than this and be, you know, warm. That ain't a tank. Yeah, it is. Oh, what? I just said that ain't a tank.
Yeah, it is.
Dude, he is not a tank, but he was ripping it, dude. Are you kidding me?
Hell yeah.
That ain't.
What?
And I think I did kind of get it hung up on a log, and then as soon as I got it off, he smashed it. These fish, whoever's taking these fish home and eating them, man, that's not a good idea. These fish have got all kind of parasites. Yes, got one. Knocked that. Bam! We just took care of 2 baits right there, or 2 things out of the box. Boom! Got this out the way. Not that it's a bad bait or anything. It's just a big profile, and I really didn't know if it was gonna get bit. So that was the BB kicker. Really digging those. Looks pretty good. And the 0 gravity hybrid underspin airdrop. That's what I just caught those on, or that on rather. Let's put the frog on. Oh, I've got it on already. Dope. What do I need to put on here? I've got everything on. Sweet. All I've got to do, I can actually put my spook back on here and maybe try to get back on a topwater bite here in just a little bit. What? No, I don't want to throw this. I know what I want to throw. I want to throw. So we got this. Get you guys another look at the
Can I throw this pencil popper right here?
chug bug. Yeah, go for it. What do I want to throw on here? You know what? I could put a jig on. Where's my new jig at, Cletus? Let me get in there.
Your new jig.
Boom, look at that, y'all. Nice little hairy looking. Oh man, that's pimp.
Dude, it is.
I'm gonna go with a dark ass profile here. Got a little bit of bright on here, so we're just gonna go full dark. So this jig is not in the Monsterbass box. This is actually one that Cletus just gave me yesterday. And as you've seen, he has been ripping on them. These are just really old jigs. There's a store that we found in our hometown that actually has a lot of vintage baits and you know, just really old fishing stuff in general. I don't know where they're sourcing that crap from, but I think it's cool as hell. Like, look at this weed guard. It's all like plastic and different. Swallow my Rapala. All right, I put this jig on, now I gotta throw it. It is, dude, look at that. That is so sick. It's got that little chartreuse flailing underneath. Oh, there went one. Oh. Yep.
About to grab the net, but then I saw it wasn't needed for.
We gotta work on a net job, Cletus. Get the net. I'm Bill Danson, Cletus. Wait, here we go. I gotta do it like John B and AP and all them.
Oh, shoot, guys.
Let's get it going, Cletus.
Come on, get it over here.
First ever net job, y'all. Woo! Get in the boat. But damn, this is like my new PB, I think. New PB, 9-pounder. Bam.
What are we doing?
Doink. One more jigfish. just one more jigfish. And then I got to get back on my monster bass. Oh, damn it, Cletus. I just lost one. Came up and ripped me and then popped off. Come on, fishes. I know y'all want this money maker. Come on, man. Lipless, let's do it. All right, let's get this drop shot rigged up here. Oh, you know, I just realized I left those freaking standout hooks at home. Never got those out of my bag. So we'll just go with the regular plain ass drop shot, no standout hooks. I kind of need to mention, I feel like I need to anyway. Those standout hooks are cool, but they're not really my cup of tea. Too fancy for me. Too fancy. Okay, so we got this Somatis Baits drop shot bait, but instead of drop shotting it, I'm gonna do what I want. I'm gonna freaking Ned rig it. So it looks like it would be saucy. And then if we don't get bit on the Ned rig, I guess I'll switch to the drop shot. But I kind of just wanted to try this. You know, I started really thinking about it, and it's just a cool ass profile for a Ned rig. Just kind of rig it like, eh. All right, let's get finessey on them, sons of bitches. On the little Somatis bait. So, oh, there's a fish right there, dude. Instantly. Fucking A, dude. Freaking aerial is hell. No joke. I hope you guys got to see that. This fish flew out of the water, dude.
Physically flew.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, well that's the Somatis bait done and over with there. That first cast with this, it just got handled. Oh, sick. A little 8-incher or so. Hoop. Little somersaults, but he went in kind of smooth. Smooth release. I want to try to catch another one on that. That was pretty sick. Aerial, like that was insane. I've never seen a bass come out like that and just fly. Oh my gosh, that got me so pumped on such a tiny fish. Oh my goodness, dude. Wrecked it. I gotta get that lipless bite. I think all I have left is the lipless and the frog. And I feel like I can make something happen on the lipless over there. The frog, I feel like that's probably gonna be the hardest one. Got him. Yes. Lipless fish. Boom. Before we even got over to the lipless spot. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Another small one, but dude, we're getting them. Getting this slam going, dude. What do we got left? The frog? Is that really all that we have? Yeah, man. Wow, okay. About to dedicate some time to a frog. See, that's one thing I don't really mention a whole lot, folks. Not only are you getting to try new baits and whatnot, you know, when you get your Monster Bass box, you go out and do these slams. So when you get your box, open it up, see baits, you may see baits that you have a lot of confidence in. You may get baits that you have zero confidence in. But if you do a slam, it kind of forces you to step outside your comfort zone and fish, you know, those baits that you don't have a lot of confidence in. You know, when you get on that slam and the fish on those baits, it really helps with the confidence factor, man, I'm telling you. Doing these slams is definitely a good way to introduce yourself to different baits and different techniques and all kinds of stuff, man. If you guys haven't already, drop down in my description. I always leave a link for Monster Bass. And Cletus just set a hard hook into a log. But anyway, I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want to check out Monsterbass. Click on my link and it'll help me out, kind of a referral link, and it'll help me put the rest of this boat together. As you guys can see, Cletus is back here standing on the not carpeted area, and we want to get this stuff all finished so we can get it registered. That was a fish. Get out of that stick there. I didn't even think that was a fish, dude. Bam, fish number 5. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna fish the jig. You're gonna change jigs?
Like use a different jig, Jam?
Why you wanna do that? Look at this ripping.
We have 2 different jigs on, Jam.
I thought they were the same thing. I mean, different colors, yeah, but.
I have the black and blue, you have the thing. Mine doesn't have any hair on it.
Oh, okay. Completely different jigs.
Yeah.
So that's number 6, I think? Something like that. Let's put him back in his tree.
Put him back in his tree.
It's not what I want to even throw. There's so much other crap going on. Oh! He was running it, dude. I wasn't ready. I just lost one. It was a tiny one too, dude. Barely even felt him with it. Could be. He just didn't have it. He kind of had the claws or something. Yeah. That's why you lost him. Yeah. Not because you suck ass.
No. Oh.
He hit it, dude. He's in there. That's 2 fish in a row that I've lost now. I'm not feeling too good about that. Oh my damn, Cletus, don't do what you did at McGee and lose some rods though. And I was like, oh my God, he's about to quit fishing after this. Like that would have been bad. Rip some lips. I'm probably gonna be coming out here quite a bit, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Stick around, stay tuned for more. We'll see you in the next one. Peace them out, Cletus.